Now we are going to see some theorems on our right triangle. So what is a right triangle? The right triangle is a triangle whose one side is 90 degree. This is a right triangle because this is 90 degree. Okay, so the theorem for a right triangle is that if one angle of a right triangle is congruent, if one angle is congruent to another acute angle of a right triangle, then the two triangles are similar. So if one angle is similar to the another angle, anyways, you know, second is 90 degrees, so third angle will also be same. But the property says if one angle is of a right angle triangle is congruent to another angle of another right angle triangle, then the two triangles are similar. Okay. S- Now, what is the other theorem? The other theorem is called altitude to hypotenuse. Altitude. So hypotenuse we all know. So let me draw a right angle triangle like this. Let's say that this is a right angle triangle where this angle is 90 degree. Okay. If you draw, so this is a ABC, I'm just calling it ABC triangle, ABC. If you draw another altitude from here to here, then let's call it D, A. Now we have to be very careful on how we are going to write the similarity of the triangle. Okay, so let's say that this angle is angle X. When you draw altitude, this would be angle X. If this is Y, this would be equal to angle Y, and this is anyways a 90 degree. So with the angle we have the congruence, sorry, not the congruency, the similarity here. So DCA, angle DCA, triangle DCA shall be similar to triangle DAB, triangle DAB. So you see how I started. I started from the same side D, but I went to the same angle. So here the same angle is what? X. So DAB. And here I started same angle is X here. So DCA. So these two triangles are similar. Okay. And they are also similar to the original triangle. So which means original triangle, you will start from A and you will go to where angle X is, C, ACB. It will be similar to ACB. This was the original triangle. So this is the altitude to the hypotenuse theorem. So the question which has come here is that how can you say this angle X is equal to this angle X, and how can you say this angle Y is equal to this angle Y? Okay, so that's the question, and the answer is very easy. So this angle Y, if you consider this angle Y would be 180 minus, so I consider the triangle ABC now. Let's consider the triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, 90, this angle is 90. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C will be equal to 180. Angle A we already know is 90. Angle B I'm saying is angle B I'm saying Y, angle Y, and angle C I'm saying angle X equal to 180. Okay, so I can say angle X plus angle Y equal to 90. Okay, so this plus this is equal to 90. X plus Y equal to 90. So if I have to say angle X is 90 minus angle Y. Okay, so here if you take triangle ABD, take triangle ABD, triangle ABD. If you take triangle ABD, this is 90 degree, this is Y, this is how much? 90 minus Y, because it will be, this will be how much? 90 minus Y, because it is completely 180, and 90 plus X plus Y is 180, and this would be this angle. We don't know it is angle X, but we will call it 90 minus Y. Why? in angle ABD, you have to, let's I'm not calling it X now. I'll call it angle BAD plus angle ADB plus angle Y equal to 180. Correct? BAD plus this equal to 180. And angle, so we know this is ADB is 90. So angle BAD will be, this is 90. So it will be, let me write for making it easy for you. Let me write all the steps. Then angle BAD shall be equal to 90 minus Y. And we know X is equal to 90 minus Y. So this will also be equal to X. Okay, same thing you can prove for Y. Why this will be Y? Because the sum is, yeah, it is very easy to prove with the same thing.